So it was mentioned that is it a possibility that these two Fluke 113s I've had are both fake and really poor quality? I don't know. I'm not aware of fake Flukes, but yeah, that could well be the case. So what we're going to do is just have a closer look at everything. Certainly nothing would be giving the game away at the moment. We have an item number, we have a serial number. Let's just see if that matches up with this. I'm not seeing a serial number actually, so we're probably going to have to take it apart a little bit further. So look at these leads. I mean, they're obviously silicone, they're labelled Fluke. Thought we might have removable shrouds, but that's not the case. I mean, these are pretty badly made. The moulding around here is all sticking up and rough. The tips are not sharp in the slightest. And they're just not particularly very well made, but you know, maybe that's normal for Fluke. Just expected to be able to take these. I thought these were plastic covers, but there we go. There we go. Yeah, that's it. They're not very sharp, but they are removable. Okay, so let's just have a look at this. What's a bugger to get out? I am seeing a label behind there though with a sticker on it. Let's just have a look, see if that is the same serial number. Serial number 567569, 567569, 64WS. So serial number matches the carton. It's a bugger. Come on. There we go. Jesus. There we go. Finally. God damn. Okay, so serial number on there, and we've got two screws on the back. Let's pop these open and have a look. Okay, so that's inside the back cover. A little piece of sponge covering up the buzzer. Why would you want to cover the buzzer up with a bit of foam? That's not exactly good for the sound, I shouldn't have thought. and that is inside. So the board's got Fluke on it, a revision number, a date. Precision resistor. A little bit of protection with the plastic and the metal there. Terminals are screwed in. Yeah, I'm not really sure I want to take this apart any further. Well, you can have a look if you've got one of these and compare it. If that's genuine, yeah, fair enough. It's just rubbish. I've got a third terminal on the board, obviously for a different model. Yeah, I don't know, not sure whether that's genuine or not. I suspect it probably is. I mean, it looks reasonably well made. Okay, well, it's still going back, it's still a dreadful meter. Can't be bothered to unscrew everything and look at it any closer. It's already been a waste of time. There'll be 3 different videos on it. Well, those screws different lengths. Before we go punching a hole through the plastic. No. It's just not going back in very easily because of the plastic swarf. Every time you take these in or out, you're ripping off a little bit more plastic. Unless you can match the threads exactly as it goes back in. Just terrible, it's such a shame. Right, there we go then. That went back in easier. Okay, look, I mean, there's no warnings that this is fake to me. It's just very, very poor quality display. And even though it's a Chinese Fluke, I would have thought they could have managed a display that's readable at the correct angles. I don't think it's a one-off because we've had 2 of these now with exactly the same display and that hideous backlighting, which is just a bright light in the bottom left corner. Yeah, sorry. Really poor. Don't bother getting one.